Joanna Kołaczkowska is a beloved Polish actress and comedian, best known for her work with Cabaret Hrabi. Over the past few days, social media has been flooded with alarming claims that she has passed away. But it's important to be clear. No credible news outlets or official sources have confirmed her death. In fact, as of today, there is no verified evidence supporting these rumors. False death hoaxes have sadly become more common in the digital age. They spread quickly and cause unnecessary panic among fans and loved ones. Joanna Kołaczkowska has actually been a target of such rumors before, likely because of her high profile and public presence. If you come across shocking news like this, always take a moment to check trusted sources. Look for confirmation from major news platforms, official statements, or verified social media profiles. If you can't find any, the news is probably not real. As of now, Joanna Kołaczkowska is alive, and there is no reason to believe otherwise. Please help stop the spread of misinformation and respect her privacy during times like these. If you're a fan, the best thing you can do is support her by celebrating her work and keeping her legacy of humor alive, not by sharing unverified stories. Thanks for watching. If this helped clear things up, consider sharing the video so others don't fall for the hoax.